Hello and welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. Today we are discussing the subjective part of the ISI BStat paper, and this question is question number 8, where we are given that there is a truncated pyramid tank with a square base and the depth is 6 meters. The square at the bottom is 2 meters each side. The top square is 8 meter each side, and the filling rate of water is 19 by 3 cubic meters per hour. And we have to find at what rate is the water level rising 1 hour after the water started to fill the pond. So first of all, let us assume that the sides of the water level when it is at a certain height h is x. So that means if I complete this picture, this is h, which is the height of the water from the bottom. This is 6 minus h. This side is x. So this is 8 minus x, and this is 8 minus 2, which is 6. So that means by similarity of triangles we can write 8 minus x upon 6 is equal to 6 minus h upon 6, which will give us 8 minus x equal to 6 minus h, or x is equal to h plus 2. So this is the relationship between x and h. Now we have to take a very small cross section out here of water level, so that this cross section is delta h. So this cross section is delta h. So that means the delta V at height h is given by area into delta h, which is x square into delta h. That means dV is equal to x square dh, or dV is equal to x square into dh, means h is equal to x minus 2. That means dh will be equal to dx, so x square dx. So now we can find the volume from x equal to 2, which is the initial dimension or the base dimension of x. 2x dV will be equal to integral of 2 to x square dx, which is equal to 1 by 3 into x cube minus 8. And this volume is the volume of the water when it is at height h. So now we can differentiate both sides with respect to time. So dV dt would be equal to 1 by 3 into 3x square dx dt. So this is x square into dx dt, which is equal to x square into dh dt. Now this is what we are asked to find. The rate of rise of water is dh dt, which is what we are asked to find. So that means dh dt will be equal to dh dt will be equal to 1 upon x square into dV dt. Now we are given the value of dV dt, which is the rate of filling of water, as 19 by 3. meter cube per hour. So we know the value of dV dt. We have to find the value of x or x square. For that we have this equation of volume versus x. So from there we know that the volume is equal to 1 by 3 x cube minus 8. So the volume after 1 hour, after at time equal to 1, will be equal to 19 by 3, because the rate of filling is 19 by 3 meter cube per hour. So this would be 19 by 3 meter cube. So that means dH dt at t equal to 1 hour will be equal to 1 by x square at t equal to 1 hour into dV dt, which is constant 19 by 3 meter per hour. Now we use this equation, which is V at t equal to 1 is 19 by 3, and that should be equal to 1/3 x cube by 8, where x would be the side of the square of the surface of water at height h, which is at 1 hour. So that means 1 by 3 of x cube minus 8 is equal to 19 by 3. So therefore we can get x cube minus 8 equal to 19, or x cube equal to 27, or x equal to 3 meters. So now we put the value of x here. So I get dH dt at t equal to 1 is equal to 1 upon 9 into 19 by 3 meter per hour, which is 19 by 27 meter per hour, which means the rate of rise of water after 1 hour would be 19 by 27 meters per hour.